So today we're here in Theme Park Tycoon. I'm going to be showing you how to make a money grinder, but it's going to be underground, so no one will be able to see it. So the first thing you want to do here, you want to delete all this. We don't need any of this. We just need the money. That. This. You can delete all that. Next thing what you want to do is you want to go on terrain. See this edit terrain? I think we'll just increase this. That's big. You want to just delete all that. Just like push it all the way down. And there. Oh, I'm stuck in this now. So then you want to get your path. Here you want to go for this one. That. Then you want to rotate this so it's like that. And you want to build down. Down. That. And then you want to get your terrain tool again. Hide of that. Delete all that. And you want to continue building down. Now we're at the bottom. Then you want to get your cobblestone path. Build up like that. Just want to that. And then you want to delete again. Right. We don't need that big. So keep that for now so we have enough money to build what we're going to build. Then you want to get your coaster. You want to get a steel coaster. Build it up like that, and go straight up. 2 times, like that. It should look like this. You want to build your entrance over here, your exit right here. Go to your queue path, build like that. And it's like a money grinder. And then, oh, we gotta open this too. Open. Then you want to get some stalls. So maybe a soft drinks, that, pizza, and then a bathroom. And then more previews should be coming down here. Maybe we should add some. We should make another ride too. So you want to get your coaster. I'm gonna get a corkscrew. This. Okay. Build entrance. Exit. Path. Queue path. Like that. Then you can just keep deleting things. So now I'm going to show you how to cover this up. Get up. And you want to go back to terrain. Block manipulation. So it's $10 per cell. Let's increase the size. I don't know why it's always like halfway in. Go like that. And there you go. It's completely hidden. There's still an entrance, but you can like maybe do some stuff. I don't really know how, but you can maybe like try and hide that. Oh, it's dark. So I think you just want to add some lights. Where is it? Well, I think there's something you can actually do in the settings. Sound, enable cave light. Oh, that's only with build mode. So you're going to want to make some lights. Go over here. Lanterns. Place like this. I think there are other ones you can actually like buy. I think. Let me search this up. Light. Yeah, like ceiling lights like this. Let's put on the ceiling. That. I think it should be sunlight at least. Yes, yeah, got sunlight here. Then you wanna actually, yeah, so so much litter on the ground. You wanna get some trash cans. Place it along the pathway. Just clean up all this trash quick. Oh, I forgot to open this right. Open. It's to 30. Let's put this to 30 as well. So then you can just keep deleting more ground and placing more coasters. And you can have a huge underground money farm. Alright, I'm going to build mode so you can see. You can make like a huge underground money farm. Place tons of more coasters and stuff. Okay. So that's how you build a money grinder. I mean, like a money farm underground.